Hi friends and favorite shoppers, welcome back to my channel. If you follow my channel, you know what time it is. It is around that time of month where it is the Uncommon James mystery boxes unboxing. If you're not familiar, Uncommon James is a brand by Kristen Cavallari. She has home goods, some clothing, housewares, things like that, but also a jewelry line. And each month you can pay $35 for a mystery item from the jewelry collection. They're silver and gold. I get one of each. And this month they also had a lot of items 70% off, so I ordered a few of those. So I'll be doing the unboxing of both the mystery items, gold and silver, as well as showing you some of the sale items I picked up. So if that sounds good to you, let's get started. All right, so as you can tell, I have not yet opened the package, so we are unboxing it and seeing the items for the first time together. There is one box in here, so I believe that all the items are in the little pouches that they typically come in and placed inside the one box. So this is the box. It has a little magnetic closure, and so I ordered the September mystery items for gold and silver. I actually almost forgot to order them. It was, I think, the 3rd or the 4th, and I got the email about the sale items. So when I was on the website, I happened to see the word mystery somewhere on the website, and it hit me like a ton of bricks where I was like, I didn't order this month's mystery box. And I know some of you rely on the video to see what's out there for the mystery item if you want to order. If you don't, especially since they kept raising the price and it's $35 now, it's not like a huge steal like the first month when it was only $19 and then $25. So I was able to pick up both items. They just arrived today. Today is the 8th. So shipping is always very quick with Uncommon James. So I got those, and then it looks like I ordered 4 sale items. Can't remember what I ordered. I was just going down through the website and clicking add to cart. So let's see what is in this box. As always, you get the pamphlet, a little bit about the collection, a little note from Kristen Cavallari, and everything is wrapped in tissue. So I may have to do a little digging to see which of these are the mystery items and what I ordered. So I think I'm gonna log on to my account so I can see my order and pull out the sale items first so I can give you a true picture of the mystery items, because I just don't remember. So bear with me 1 second. Okay, so you are still going to get my first impression of the items. I just took a little sneak peek into each bag so that I could compare it to the pictures in my order and pull out the ones that I knew were the sale items. So the last 2 remaining, I have a small bag and a larger bag. There's 1 gold, 1 silver. So I'm gonna start with the smaller one. That's what I always do. So what I'll do is tell you the retail value. I'm gonna go on the website and give you the name of it and all the details as well. And if there's any reviews, I like to give you some of the reviews and try it on so you can see what it looks like on. So the first item, the smaller one, it always comes, each item comes with how to care for your jewelry. It always basically tells you to put it on after you put lotion on and perfumes and scents and stuff like that. So first item looks like it's a gold, I'm gonna guess a necklace. You can't really tell in the bag, but retail value is $62. So let me go ahead and get this out of this tiny little Ziploc bag here. Hopefully it doesn't tangle. It looks like it might already be broken. For a mystery item that you pay $35 for still, you kind of don't want it to be broken when it arrives. Okay, it's not, so ignore that. Really cute. That's really pretty. All right. I'm pretty sure this is the mystery item. I think I double checked everything. So first item, it's like this gold bar, and it's got some like rhinestones across it, and it's a nice adjustable chain. So it can be like kind of like a choker length or a little bit longer, which is really nice. So again, $62, the mystery items you pay $35 for. So let me go ahead and slip this on so you can see what it looks like. All right, so here is the necklace. This, I put it on like medium length. So all the extra links on the chain, I put it about halfway down so you can kind of see how it could adjust shorter or longer. So it definitely has a lot of room to play with. So this is middle length. I'm guessing, you know, it would come down to about here if I did the full length, and if I did the shorter, it would come up right about here, I think. So definitely versatile. I have to say, this item I'm actually really happy about. It's been, I mean, I really kind of liked some of the items, but we all had been kind of saying how we wanted more gold necklaces. They just kept sending gold earrings. So it's nice to see another gold necklace. So I will look up some of the details on the website and give you a little bit more information about it. It's really dainty too. So it's like, you know, it's hard to catch the actual detail of it. But you can see the rhinestones on it. Beautiful. I'm really, really happy with this gold necklace. All right, let me get you some other details. Okay, so this necklace is called Raise the Bar Higher, and it's called Raise the Bar Higher because they also have a necklace that is very similar but without the rhinestones on it that is called just Raise the Bar. So with the rhinestones, you know, you go a little bit higher. So again, retail $62. The length adjustment is from 19 to 22 inches. The bar itself is 1.5 inch. It's a lobster clasp closure, just like most or all necklaces so far that I've received from Uncommon James. It's 14 karat gold plated brass, and then the rhinestones are cubic zirconia, of course. And it looks like there are already 3 reviews. All of them are 5-star. Super impressed, gorgeous. This person who got it in the mystery box had their eye on the necklace for a while, so I bet they were really happy to get it in the mystery box. So that is the first mystery item, gold Raise the Bar Higher necklace. We're gonna move on to the silver mystery item next. Okay, so next up, it looks like it's a pair of silver earrings that value for $52. Let me get them out of the baggie here. It looks like they're kind of like a chain link silver earring with 3 parts to it. They feel a little heavy, but not really too heavy. So let me go ahead and slip these on so you can kind of see. It's always hard to tell when it's just on the packaging like this, what it's actually gonna look like on. I have to say, not my typical style, like the chain link look, but we'll see. All right, so first of all, I like them. I like the look of them. They're kind of noisy when you move your head. Like you hear the links like rubbing together. It's like a constant noise, like clingy. I don't know. Like, I don't know if you can hear it. That's extreme because I'm jiggling it, but just moving, it makes a noise. But I actually really like them. Yeah, I mean, they definitely feel weighted, but not in a bad way, in a way that like $35, I'm getting what I pay for basically. So these earrings are called the chain earrings, fitting. It looks like they come in both silver and gold, $52 value. It's 1.4 inches drop, so this length here. The silver is rhodium plated brass, and the gold would be 14 karat gold plated brass. So there's 2 reviews, both are 5 stars again. Both are from back in March, which is interesting. They're both in March. And they say great, super light earrings. I wouldn't say super light for myself. I wouldn't describe them as super light, but they loved them either way. And then the other one said so unique. So I think overall, you know, it's a great item. I don't see any mystery box purchasers, so I'm curious if the silver item maybe varied in the mystery boxes this month. So if you got a different item, be sure to put in the comments below what you actually received, because I'm always curious to see the variety, if there is any, and what they send for each gold and silver. Okay, so that is silver, and before that was gold. So now I'm just gonna show you the 4 items I picked up that were on sale, and tell you a little bit about those and what I got them for as far as price goes. So let's get into that. So first sale item, it looks like I have a gold necklace that looks like it's called Bullet. These necklaces are so dainty. I'm always worried about tangling them. Just taking off the Raise the Bar Higher necklace, it was a little scary. What in the world? Is this broken? This one might actually be broken. Yes. Okay, I have a broken sale necklace. Awesome. What do I do with this? This is the chain, okay? The clasp is supposed to be there, and the pendant fell off. Not too happy with the sale items yet. So let me see if I can fix this before trying it on. But it's the Bullet gold necklace. I got it on sale for $13.80, originally $46. So let me play around with this and see if I can figure out what the heck happened, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I was able to fix it, so not a big deal, just a little frustrating. So again, this is the Bullet necklace. So basically it's just like a bullet pointed necklace, and it has a pretty decent length for adjusting the chain. So I'm not gonna try these on just because I wanted to do a quick video just to get this up so you guys could see the mystery items. So I want to edit tonight and get this posted for you. And these weren't supposed to take this long to take out of the bag. So that's, again, the Bullet necklace. It's actually, I mean, it's really pretty, again, dainty, which most of the pieces are. So yeah, I'm happy. I mean, for $13, it's a great price. All right, so moving on. Let's see, the bigger bag. I got this pair of rose gold, they're called Girl Boss earrings. They retail for $58. So in last month's box, we got a pair of silver earrings that were almost like diamond shape. That might be the wrong word. Anyway, so I was kind of hooked on like these bigger, not just your traditional hoop earrings, but different geometric type shapes. So I got these rose gold earrings, and you know, they are a little bit bigger. Again, they're called Girl Boss, and you know, but I would wear them with my hair down, so it's, you know, not as a statement piece, I guess. They're still pretty large, and I love rose gold, so I had to get them, and they were on sale for $17.40. So that is the Girl Boss earrings. Really pretty. I love the rose gold. All right, 2 more pieces here. This one, it's really interesting. It's in a really long tank. No. It's in a really long bag. This one is called Champs. So it's actually a really cute necklace. Retails for $49, and it's like a bedazzled champagne bottle necklace. I just thought it was the cutest thing. I'll wear it on New Year's Eve, whatever we do, depending on COVID. But it was only $12.60, and again, it retails for $49. You do have a little bit of room with the chain to adjust it. I think you can wear it a little higher, and obviously a little longer depending on what you're wearing. So that is the Champs necklace. So cute. I love it. And last sale item is another pair of earrings. I picked up a gold pair of earrings. These are called Park Avenue. They're very kind of simple, but a little bit of a statement, I guess. Hang on, let me finagle them so that they're dangling the right way. So these are valued at $62. Really love like the straight stick look. I picked these up for $18.60, so still a really good deal. I think I'm gonna really like these gold earrings. They're called Park Avenue. All right, so recap, I got the gold and silver mystery box items. They're $35 a piece. For the gold, I got another necklace, raise the bar higher, and the silver, I got a pair of chain silver earrings, and then the rest of the items, the 4 items, were all sale. I think overall, you know, it was a pretty good haul for Uncommon James. But overall, I'm gonna say this is probably one of my top months as far as liking the items that I received. If you get the boxes, let me know how you liked your items, if you got the same ones, if they were different, and you know, I hope you continue to tune into my channel. I love doing these videos when I have the time, and be sure to like it if you liked the video, and subscribe and click the bell so you're alerted to any future uploads. And my dog is telling me we gotta go play now. So that's all I have for you today. I'll see you next time.